Hello everyone, I'm Debajit from Dashboard. So currently now I'm working as a digital marketing freelancer with many YouTubers, handling Facebook pages, Instagram profiles and operating various social media platforms and websites. And today I'm going to share all about my personal experiences with Nexop Academy, where I have learned all the methods and the tricks and every skills that are required of being a professional digital marketer. It is one of the best institute available in North India. So about the training methodology, I sense it perfect because it all includes practical work and they will give you practical lessons, assessment and put you through current industry level work. I will definitely recommend you that institution where you can find a friendly behavior of mentors and the skill sets they provide so that you can be a very good professional digital marketer. Thank you.